What's up guys, it's John. Hope you guys are doing okay because yeah, we made it, 2020. I'm kidding, I don't really destroy your years, but I do get a lot of comments on my older videos saying like, do a closet tour, sneaker collection tour, and I thought, you know what, it's the beginning of the new year, why not actually show you guys some stuff I actually just got over the past few weeks, because I've been grinding, working hard, I had to spend that cash, but I did, kind of splurge on myself. I actually work at Saks, so it's kind of cool, shopping the sales, getting that big boy discount. So yeah, I kind of want to show you a couple stuff that my girlfriend gifted me that I just love. We're going to talk about accessories, then I think I'll move into shoes because I think it's what people care more, and then I'll talk about like my clothing. And I'm not sure what I'm going to title this. I think it's going to be like my designer pieces going into 2020, but let's get to it. I have a couple stuff that I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's go. Boom, 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 poof. Alright guys, so let's get on to accessories first and then we'll move on to footwear. One of my favorite things that I got for Christmas, and it's actually for my girlfriend. She got me two things on this list, and it's just perfect, and I thank her so much for it. First, I'm actually wearing right here. It's this beautiful, just LV silver ring. It is just me. It's subtle. It's got the LV logo right there. And obviously it came in this little beautiful bag. I just love the monogram and the design that they did for the holiday season. I don't know how much longer they're gonna keep it, but it's pretty dope. I just kind of want to show you this just because it's cool. But let's move on to the next thing my girl got me for Christmas. And I think it's so thoughtful. It's old. You can tell by the look. It's from the 80s, but it's so dope. I'll show you guys some images. It's just pictures of designs back from the 80s, and it's really cool. Obviously, I love the Issey Miyake on plissé and stuff like that, and I don't want to say like I'm this like hardcore lover of Issey Miyake or anything like that, but it's just kind of cool that she got me this. She knew I was very interested in the pants right now, and just being able to take a look at his designs and everything back from the 80s, super cool. I have no idea where she found this or how she got it, but I'm super thankful, and yeah, this is something that I kind of enjoy taking a look at, because I don't want to say like I understand the art of fashion and I know what clothing means, but it's kind of cool just looking at things and seeing how they've progressed till now and taking sort of like a little bit of inspiration and creativity from it. And I think that's what art's about. So yes, this book is dope, and I'm definitely gonna leave it over here so I can show it off. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video this far and want to show your support, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below because I want to know your opinions, honestly. Like, I want to talk to you guys, and also turn on notifications because 2020, you're getting a video every Monday, every Thursday. That's right, 2 videos a week. 2020, new year, new me, new channel, new content, and I just want to make you guys happy. And also follow me on Instagram down below because I just opened up a new page. But anyways, let's get back into the video. Alright, final accessory that I got is gonna be a little cliche. Don't hate on me. Pair of Gucci socks. It's pretty, I see a lot of people with these. I just like it. I love the print on it. It's brown, it's cool. And again, with my Saks discount, it came pretty good price. But the only reason I got this is for the next thing I'm about to show you, is because yes, you see a big Gucci box right here. Right now, we're about to transition into footwear. This is actually something that I kind of have to wait until the spring to actually wear. It's not a pair of shoes. Are you ready? Just Gucci sandals. They're so dope. They're like, I want to say like, I think the description says like velvet or suede. It's got the Gucci print all over, and these were on sale. So originally they were $8.90, then they went on sale for $5.34, and then there was like an extra winter sale that brought them down to like $3 some, and then my employee discount kicked in, right? So these went from $8.90 like when they came out in the spring or something, and now that it's winter, they're on sale, and I got them for a stunning like $2.50. $2.50, from $8.90 to $2.50. What a steal. They're so dope, man. I love the color, the lime on the inside, and it's gonna be cool to be able to pair them, with my Gucci socks. I actually don't know how the brown will hit on this. You guys will be the first to see. But yeah, I'm excited to rock these in the winter. I'm gonna have to invest in a couple more socks, but yeah, I'm excited to have these. But next, let's move on to actually a new pair of sneakers that I got. And I'm actually excited to show you guys because I've wanted this for a while. Finally got it, and it's taking a minute. It's another pair of Balenciagas, that's right. It's actually the Trap 1.0 and this like off-white cream colorway. It's so dope. It's just beautiful. I wanted this like when I saw it in like the spring and the summer. It went out, like it just sold out immediately. And again, I work at Saks, so like retail on these is like $8.95 or $9.95, I don't remember. And then I got them, I want to say for like 600-ish. This is a good discount sometimes. The quality in this is actually pretty cool, so I kind of justify the price. The leather cage up top, it's dope. So it's kind of cool to have this. It's gonna be cool in the spring, the summer, but you know, it's also like a good complementary piece here, like in the winter when you've got like kind of darker tones. I just really wanted to get them, and as soon as they came back in stock, again, like I couldn't pass up the price, had to take them. So yeah, these are actually like my favorite cop of the past year. So look, that's all the new footwear that I've copped this year, but I kind of want to give a shout out like to two things that I also, well, one thing that I got this year and one thing that I've had probably for like a year and a half, maybe 2 years. And one's gonna be my Wyatts right here. They're just beautiful. And then my other is gonna be the Wave Runner, the Yeezy Wave Runner. They're just beautiful, man. Like they're just so, St. G made me fall in love with them because he used to wear them so much. And they're just such a classic, like, oh man, I don't even want to get into it. But yeah, these are just like honorable mentions into like two of my favorite, I guess, designer pieces. I know this is like YSL, so it's a designer label. This is Yeezy. I don't know, this part Adidas Yeezy. I know Yeezy's trying to be designer label. So we're gonna kind of thrust this in, you know what I mean? Alright, now let's move on to clothing. First I'm going to talk about pants because I've only really purchased one. You saw it in my last video, and it's actually the Unfleece. You saw my last video, I won't get too much into detail. I mean, everybody has these. They're just beautiful, something I always wanted, and finally, you know, said bit the bullet and got it. But yeah, now let's move on to clothing because I have a couple tees that I kind of want to show you guys because I feel like nobody's talked about these, but they're a dope collab that you guys need to know about. And it's actually this Subi. I don't know if you guys know the brand Subi, I'm sure you do, but they did this collab with Jhon, which is part of the ASAP mob, and he did this dope, I mean, I guess he's like the modern age Basquiat, you know what I mean? For me, it's kind of tough finding like a graphic tee that I actually like and want to wear. And as soon as I saw these two pieces, like I knew I had to have them. The price point is crazy, only like $100, so very affordable. And he actually came to the Saks that I work at. There was like, he had just like this event, we had a DJ play music, he was there with his friends and everything. So it was dope to see this and see him in person. He was like signing books for people. It was dope. And then I actually copped another one, which is this one right here. And then on the back, it's like this rainbow. It says Subi on the top. So it's kind of dope to own these two pieces. You know, because he's like an artist. I love ASAP Mob, like I love Rocky, Ferg, everybody. So it's kind of cool just to own this collab. And it's actually like two graphic tees that I love. Like it's so hard finding like a graphic tee that I actually want to wear because like I hate logos, I hate graphics sometimes because I feel like it's too much. But I mean, it kind of sounds like ironic because these are literally like the definition of too much, but it's just like, I don't know, it connected with me. I don't know, man. I like him as an artist. I followed him on Instagram for a while now. So finding out that he did a collab, and you gotta support your artist. So this is dope and definitely glad that I copped. And then the last thing I copped, it's not designer or anything, but it's actually this Zara turtleneck. I waited for the sale to go on at Zara after Christmas, so it was dope. This came from like $80 down to like $30. So it's pretty cool, man. Well, I'm lying. Maybe it was like 60, came down to 30, whatever. But it's like a wool blend and just perfect for the winter. And you know, something to class it up. I already had a black turtleneck, but it's like very thin. That one's more, I don't know, maybe more for the spring, summer nights and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool to just have a thicker one for the winter. And I don't know, man. But yeah, guys, that's everything. Thank you for sticking through. Just some pieces that I really wanted to show you guys. A lot of it was new. Some stuff I kind of had, but it's just cool talking. It's such an easy video to make. I love talking to the camera and interacting with you guys, like in the comment section, everything. I want to know your opinions. How were your holidays? But again, I want to take this grind serious, so I'm announcing a new schedule. Every Monday, Thursday, I'm uploading. That's the grind. That's the mentality I need to have. And I actually got to put in the work, and I hope you guys hold me accountable. And that's right, you're seeing this on a Thursday, so in a few days on Monday, you're about to see a new video because I have a couple videos planned. I have one on how to style yourself like certain artists. First one I'm going to do is Travis. And then I have another one where I just want to talk kind of like winter coats. It doesn't get that cold here in Atlanta. And so it's kind of hard to invest in coats, but I have a couple that I just love and want to show off to you guys. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's grind. Thank you for everything. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to grow with me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because you need to turn on notifications, because we're about to get 2 videos a week and you need to be tuned. But yeah, my name is Jhon. Thank you. I'm just thankful. I'm excited for the new year. I'm out.